How to rent movies on YouTube TV streaming device. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your smart TV or streaming device. Step 2. Search for the movie. Use the search icon and type the movie title you want to rent. Step 3. Select the movie. Choose the official movie listing, usually marked with a price tag. Step 4. Select rental option. Click Rent and choose the desired video quality. Rental prices may vary by movie and quality. Step 5. Complete the purchase. Follow the prompts to sign in and enter payment information if it's not already saved in your Google account. Step 6. Start watching. The movie will be available under Purchases in the Library tab. You can play it immediately or watch it later within the rental period, usually 48 hours after playback starts or 30 days after purchase if playback hasn't started. Method 2. Rent a movie using a web browser. Step 1. Visit YouTube. Open youtube.com and sign in. Step 2. Search for the movie. Use the search bar to type the movie title. Step 3. Choose rental option. Select the official movie page. Click Rent and pick your preferred video quality. Step 4. Pay and confirm. Complete the payment process using Google Pay, PayPal, or a linked credit or debit card. Step 5. Watch anytime. Go to Library, Purchases to find the rented movie. Method 3. Rent a movie on the mobile app. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Step 2. Search for the movie. Use the search bar to find the movie. Step 3. Tap the movie. Tap the movie with the price listed. Step 4. Select rental option. Choose the desired video quality for the rental. Step 5. Complete the purchase and start watching. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase. You can start watching anytime within the rental window. By following these steps, you can easily rent and enjoy movies on YouTube TV across different devices.